Liz. How are you? We want to speak about living and non-living things. What is living, Miss Miriam? Living means living. We are living. We're human beings, right? Living. What's the word living and what's the meaning of non-living? Living is something that grows. Okay. When you eat, you grow, right? Reproduce, like will give more and more from the same thing. Okay. What else? So, living, they grow, they reproduce, they need nutrients. Nutrients mean food. They need water, they need air, and they have cells. So, what's living? Me and you and all the human beings, okay, we are living things. Are we non-living? No, because we breathe. I need to eat to grow, right? When you eat, you grow, right? So, I eat and I drink water. So, water, what makes living living? Water, nutrients, and what's nutrients? That means it's food, okay? And growing, and we all have cells. We as human beings, we have the cells is something in our body, inside our body. So, us as human beings, we have cells, and animals have cells too. Also plants, but the cells are different in us and in the animals and in plants. They're not the same cell, but we all have cells, but different cells, okay? But plants, yeah, they don't speak to you, the plants, the flowers, and all those nice, beautiful things, okay? The leaves, the trees, all of this, they grow. They are living things. They're not non-living things. Because the plant, how can a plant grow? Don't you find like you can buy a baby flower and it's that small and then it keeps growing and then like reproduces other flowers, right? And plants and leaves and stuff like that? Why does this happen? Because maybe it doesn't speak to you. And you don't see her moving, like walking like animals or us. But they do breathe. Let's all breathe. You see? Aren't you breathing? That's what happens to plants too. They breathe. They actually breathe. Okay? So, they grow, but how do plants grow? You give them food? Like you go buy a McDonald's and give it to a plant and like have a McDonald's meal? No, that doesn't happen. By water. By water. When you pour water to the plants and the flowers, what happens? They breathe and they grow. That's the food of the plants. Water. But us as human beings, what's our food? Our food is like everything, right? The healthy food, right? Well, some of us eat unhealthy food, right? I know you don't eat all healthy food, but that's how we grow, right? We eat, we drink water. That's how we grow. We reproduce. We breathe. Animals too are like us, but the difference is the way we look, right? They eat, they grow, they reproduce, they breathe, right? But what is non-living things? Non-living things is, 1 second. Is this a living thing, this marker? Is it a living thing? No. Does it grow? No. Does it breathe? No. Does it eat? No. What are you saying? So this is a non-living. Is it living or non-living? Non-living. Okay. Okay. What about this? What is this? A paper? Does it grow? No. Does it breathe? No. Does it eat? No. Does it reproduce? No. So is it a living or a non-living? Non-living. Okay, 1 second. Ah, look what I got here. What is this? A chair. Okay, does it eat? No. Does it drink? No. Does it reproduce? No. Does it get bigger? It grows? No. So is it a living or non-living? Non-living. So, what is living, pandas? Only human beings, us, animals, and plants. Everything else is non-living because they don't eat, they don't breathe, they don't grow. Okay? Did you get the living and the non-living? Okay? That's it. If you need any more explanation, just let me know. And just watch the e-learning video, okay? For living and non-living. Bye.